Hi everyone, this is Nana Tracy reading Bump Set Science, Larkin's big volleyball season of physics, muscles, and magics by Nana Tracy and Larkin Marin. This book is dedicated to my sweet Larkin. May you always play with courage, learn with kindness, and remember that every serve, every try, and every giggle makes you stronger. I love you endlessly, Nana Tracy. And this is also for every kid who plays with joy, learns with curiosity, and laughs through the hard parts. And for the mamas, nanas, and coaches who cheered with love and teach with the heart. All rights reserved. Larkin tied her sneakers so tight, she said, "My toes just texted me goodbye." Madeline cracked up, tipping sideways. Coach Allie walked by and said, "Funny toes or not, Larkin, when you bounce a ball, your muscles and gravity work together, like best friends who argue." Larkin bounced the ball and whispered, "Stop arguing with my hand," and Madeline giggled harder. Science fact! When you bounce a ball, your arm muscles control the force while gravity pulls the ball back toward the ground. Volleyball fact! Warm-up touches help players check ball control before practice. And social skills fact: joking with teammates builds comfort and trust. Warm-ups began with quick shuffles. "Penguin mode activated," Larkin said, sliding dramatically. Coach Nancy laughed and said, "Well, quick feet help your brain send faster messages, like tiny lightning bolts." Madeline replied, "Well, then my lightning bolts are doing the cha-cha." Science fact: quick footwork trains your brain to send faster electrical signals to your leg muscles. Volleyball fact: lateral shuffles help players reach the ball quickly during rallies. Social skills fact: shared laughter strengthens teamwork. Larkin bumped the ball toward Madeline, but it spun off like it had somewhere urgent to be. "It's drifting into space," Madeline yelled. Coach Allie said, "Flat arms make the ball fly straight, not into outer space." Larkin saluted the ball. "Goodbye, brave explorer." Science fact: a stable bump happens when both arms create an even flat surface so the ball travels in one direction. Volleyball fact: bumping is the first contact in most volleyball plays. Social skills fact: complimenting each other helps teammates improve faster. Serving practice made Larkin feel powerful. She tossed the ball and shouted, "Aim for the stars!" Coach Nancy said, "Actually, aim forward, dear. Gravity will handle the down part." Madeline added, "And your jokes will handle the weird part." Science fact: when you toss a ball upward, gravity pulls it downward, giving it a curved path. Volleyball fact: a consistent toss improves serving accuracy. Social skills fact: humor keeps nerves low before challenging skills. One serve rocketed into the bleachers. "That ball is running away from responsibility," Larkin said. Coach Allie laughed. "That's what happens when you swing too hard. Physics loves drama." Madeline nodded. "Same, coach, same." Science fact: more force can increase the ball's speed and distance. Volleyball fact: even missed serves help players improve their form. Social skills fact: encouragement helps teammates bounce back from mistakes. During reaction drills, Madeline yelped, "Incoming flying potato," as a ball zoomed toward her. Coach Nancy tossed another and said, "See, your eyes warned your brain, which warned your hands." "That's teamwork inside your body," Larkin gasped. "My organs are playing volleyball without me?" Science fact: reaction drills help your brain and eyes work together so your hands move faster. Volleyball fact: staying low gives players a quicker first step. Social skills fact: practicing together teaches trust. Larkin spiked the ball with a dramatic jump. "Rocket launch!" Madeline cried. Coach Allie said, "Jumping works because your legs store energy and release it like springs." Larkin replied, "Mid-air. Boing!" Science fact: strong leg muscles push against the floor to create upward momentum for jumping. Volleyball fact: a spike sends the ball sharply downward to score points. Social skills fact: encouragement boosts teammates' confidence. During scrimmage, Larkin set the ball and Madeline bumped it over. Coach Nancy clapped. "Perfect! Setting changes the ball's direction gently, like redirecting a confused chicken." Madeline squawked loudly to prove the point. Science fact: setting uses soft finger control to change the ball's direction upward. Volleyball fact: The set is usually the second contact in a play. Social skills fact: cooperation makes difficult plays easier. After losing a practice round, Larkin flopped dramatically. I am a sad pancake. Coach Allie reminded, even pancakes rise again when heat is applied, meaning effort. Madeline nodded. I volunteer as emotional syrup. Science fact: frustration can tighten muscles, making movements less smooth. Volleyball fact: practice losses help identify what skills need work. Social skills fact: talking through feelings helps teammates stay connected. Before their first game, Larkin bounced her ball slowly. Coach Nancy said, slow breaths help your muscles listen to your brain. Madeline clapped a rhythm and said, let your brain DJ the moment. Science fact: slow, steady breathing helps your muscles relax and move smoothly. Volleyball fact: a good serve begins with a controlled, accurate toss. Social skills fact: friends help each other manage nerves. On game day, Larkin whispered, please don't betray me, ball. She served and it flew perfectly. Coach Allie cheered, smooth arm motion gives the ball a stable path. Madeline shouted, stable path achieved. Science fact: smooth arm motion gives the ball a stable, accurate flight path. Volleyball fact: a serve must land inside the court to score. Social skills fact: celebrating teammates increases team confidence. The other team spiked hard. Larkin dove yelling, protect the floor. Coach Nancy called, spread out your landing so your body stays safe. Madeline popped the ball up and shouted, assist activated. Science fact: diving widens your body's surface area, helping protect your joints on impact. Volleyball fact: a dig is a low defensive save used against spikes. Social skills fact: quick communication helps teammates avoid confusion. During a timeout, the girls huddled. Larkin whispered, my superpower is sweating nervously. Coach Allie smiled. Good. Staying relaxed helps your brain decide faster. Madeline nodded. Then my brain must be doing jumping jacks. Science fact: staying relaxed helps your brain make clear decisions during fast play. Volleyball fact: timeouts help your players rest and re-strategize. Social skills fact: sharing ideas strengthens teamwork. The score tied again. If we lose, we blame gravity, Madeline whispered. Coach Nancy laughed. Gravity is always involved, winning or losing. Larkin pointed at the floor. I knew it. Science fact: deep breathing lowers stress so your muscles stay controlled. Volleyball fact: tied scores require extra concentration and control. Social skills fact: humor is a powerful way to stay calm under pressure. Larkin leaped and spiked with all her might. Boom! Madeline shrieked. Coach Allie said, that's leg power converting into upward energy and arm swing turning it into downward force. Larkin gasped, I'm a science experiment. Science fact: spiking uses stored energy from bent knees and releases into a powerful jump. Volleyball fact: strong spikes can win points quickly. Social skills fact: celebrating others' successes builds team pride. The other team tied the score. Larkin whispered, okay, new plan, don't panic. Madeline whispered back, too late, my brain is playing circus music. Coach Nancy chuckled, confidence helps your muscles behave, girls. Science fact: confidence improves how smoothly your muscles coordinate. Volleyball fact: players must stay ready through every movement of a rally. Social skills fact: sharing nerves helps teammates feel supported. Madeline stepped up to serve. This one's for science, she said, swinging. The ball skimmed the net and dropped in. Coach Allie cheered. Low serves leave the other team almost no reaction time. Larkin yelled, science wins! Science fact: a low serve leaves opponents less time to react. Volleyball fact: a serve that touches the net but lands in is still good. Social skills fact: trying new techniques builds courage. Larkin served the final ball. Wish me luck, she muttered. Madeline whispered, I already wished you extra luck. Coach Nancy added, follow through directs the ball's path. Larkin followed through and scored. Science fact: following through after contact helps direct the ball's path. Volleyball fact: every rally ends with one team earning the point. Social skills fact: Celebrating victories together makes friendships stronger. The girls shook the hands of the other team with smiles. Great game, Larkin said. Madeline added, Your spikes were so good I almost cried. Coach Allie whispered, Kind words make the world nicer. Coach Nancy nodded, especially in sports. Science fact, smiling relaxes the body and helps it recover after intense play. Volleyball fact, teams show sportsmanship by shaking hands. Social skills fact, giving compliments builds respect. After the season ended, Larkin and Madeline sat on the gym floor. We learned so much, Larkin said. Especially that gravity is rude, Madeline added. Coach Allie smiled, and that practice strengthens your muscles and your brain. Coach Nancy finished, and friendships too. Larkin grinned. Then this was the perfect season. Science fact, practice strengthens both muscles and brain pathways over time. Volleyball fact, steady effort leads to skill mastery. Social skills fact, shared experiences create strong friendships. Thank you for sharing Larkin's volleyball adventure. For more like this, visit Keepsake Verse Studio at keepsakeverse.com.